Libra holds the scales of truth with the balance lying in the psychic weight of the heart, being as light as a feather. This Libra pink full moon goes full at 5:23 PDT. The opposing sign of Libra on the zodiacal wheel is Aries. Every full moon holds a polarity or opposing energy from the sun. Libra's energetic qualities are associated with balance, harmony, and relationships. This Libra moon will enhance the element of air, which can make you feel more flighty, undecided, a bit more ungrounded. So it's important that you create an energetic and physical practice and ritual that brings you into balance, diplomacy, and intellectual curiosity. And I'm going to share one with you towards the end of this video. It's important to bring to your attention the Aries influential qualities, which are fire energy, assertiveness, individuality. This fanning of the fire from the Libra airs can ignite your passionate, energetic nature. So caution to stay in your lane, relaxed and with an ease of balance. Stay responsive, not reactive. Within the word responsive is responsible. So try this on. Take on radical responsibility to feel your feelings, express your feelings from a healthy, positive, intuitive place of consciousness and action. These opposing signs can attract each other strongly as you can learn and they can learn from and complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. So as I mentioned, creating a breath practice to strengthen your emotional and energetic balance is highly recommended during this time of Libra full moon. And here's a great one that works well for me. Alternate nostril breathing. So I'll take my right hand and I'll plug with the right thumb my right nostril. Take a deep breath in through the left. And then on the exhale, I'll take my index finger, Jupiter finger, and close the left and exhale through the right. And then once more. You want your breath to be smooth and even. When you inhale, expand your navel and belly out. When you exhale, you gently pull the navel in and up. When you inhale, you expand. When you exhale, you lengthen. Be aware of this mechanics of the breath. So as we breathe in through the left nostril, you're stimulating your brain's capacity to reset your framework of thinking and feeling, and you're allowing new perspectives. Exhaling through the right nostril relaxes the constant computations and cautions of the brain, which helps to break these automatic patterns. So you're putting yourself from parasympathetic into sympathetic, sympathetic to parasympathetic. We want to be more into the sympathetic nervous system, which is where we're relaxed, we're very conscious. Parasympathetic is where we're in fight or flight mode. Regulating your breath pattern in this way sets a new level of brain functioning, which establishes emotional balance and calmness after periods of intense stress or shock. And sometimes during these full moons, we have this heightened energy that's coming in, and particularly with this Libra and Aries influential energies. It can certainly be stressful, and it can create shocking situations and experiences.